On Lenovo Concept Store. Incidentally, I think both are located in Taguig. Bikutan ba is Taguig? Border, but Bikutan na is Parañaque na yun. Oh. So border. Congrats mga boss. Thank you for the opportunity for us to operate another Lenovo Concept Store. And incidentally also, since Bikutan is not part of Taguig, then it makes this store as the first Lenovo Concept Store in Taguig City.
Yes.
Right, thank you. In Lenovo, we have a tagline that we always say, bringing smarter technology for all. And in the last 12 months, that's exactly what Lenovo is doing. This is actually our 6th store in 12 months. 6th store in 12 months. Right? So we live by the mantra na bringing smarter technology for all. So we live in an era where AI is very, very dominant. No? It's very prevailing. We don't just sell AI laptops, but we actually sell a lot of the AI solutions. Right? But at this point, thank you mga bossing partners. Codex. I'd also like to say thank you to the team who also made this possible. Starting with Charlotte. Char. Yan. Charlotte who leads our consumer business. Larry. Larry looks after Codex. The marketing team led by Trippy and the rest of the Lenovo team. Special acknowledgement, salamat din sa aming mga media friends who are here. Pam, Rafi, I see them here. Salamat sa suporta. Let's play golf very soon. Rafi. No, I think there's nothing much for me to really share, but salamat and to the residents of Taguig. Thank you for welcoming Lenovo to the city. Thank you sa market management. No, I think they're also here. Kayo ba? Thank you. We'll look forward to more stores because in Ayala, I think this is our third store pa lang with Ayala. No? Third, because we have one in Glorieta. And we have one in Legazpi City, which I think is a mall that you are in partnership with the LCC group, right? So this is the third. We can do more in the future, no? So again, salamat. 6 store in 12 months. And I heard from Charlotte more to come. No? And very, very thankful to have partners like Codex. No? So that's it. Thank you to the city of Taguig.